Natural hair transformation. Oh, not again. This frizz is impossible. My hair looks so dull and lifeless. I wish I could have healthy, shiny hair. Time for a change. Let's make a protein and shine mask. First, we need rice flour. Boil it in water until it thickens. Next, 1 egg into the bowl. Add a dollop of thick yogurt, a few drops of argan oil for shine, and finally, castor oil for strength. Mix it all together until smooth. Ready to transform this hair. Sectioning my hair makes it easier. Now, applying the mask from root to tip, gently massaging it in. Natural protein boost. Damage repair. Making sure every strand is covered. Time for the mask to work its magic. Just relaxing for 20 minutes. Now, rinsing with lukewarm water, followed by a light shampoo, getting rid of all the residue. Almost there. Wow, I can't believe the difference. My hair is so soft and shiny. It feels healthy and strong. Finally, the hair I've always wanted. So happy with these results. I can't stop touching it. Try this mask at home and shine naturally.